A very good morning to all my dear kids. I'm your teacher Ranju ma'am from Sunbeam Convent School, and here we are gonna learn about the third lesson, the story of fidgety Philip. This is for class 3, and the story is all about the eating right habit of eating vegetable fruits and sharing a meal, a pleasant meal, and next experience for everyone. Okay, so we are gonna learn about this new chapter. We will have little bit warm up that what is the good table manners. Have you everyone know that what is table manners? So we are gonna learn it here. See, do not being eating until everyone is served, and do not talk with your mouth full. Make sharing a meal a pleasant and next experience to everyone. It means when you have the meal on the table, you should not have to start eating with your own rather than everyone is not served. And next is, if you are having the food in your mouth, it means that you don't have to talk with your mouth full. This is the very bad manners when you are talking and you are having mouth full of food. Okay, so this is the some table manners and warm up about this lesson. Now see, the I will give you the homework for you have to write 5 to 6 table manners in your SW copy or whatever copy you have. So you have to write it on that. Okay, now see the what is the lesson about. The lesson is about the boy. See, here is the boy who eat lots of vegetable, and he don't have right manners to eat. He didn't have, and he didn't know the what is the right table manner. So see, here we are gonna start it. Do you know how naughty children behave at home? Let us read a poem about a naughty child and find out. See, here is one child. His name is Philip, can be a little gentleman. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. Thus Papa bade Phil behave, and Mama looked very grave. So here is the Philips. This boy is very naughty kind of kids, and he didn't know what is table manners. Every time he do lots of masti, and he don't even able to sit on a one place properly. He just like to eat like very bad manners, and his mother and father, they are very tensioned about it, how he can learn the right kind of table manner. Okay, now see the fidgety Phil, he won't sit still. He wriggles and giggles, and then I declare, swings backward and forwards and tilts up his chair just like any rocking horse. Philip, I am getting cross. He is very fidgety Phil. It means he is very what I said say he is very naughty kind of boy. He can't still in a one place. He always wriggles and giggles, and then I declare, swings backward and forward. You know, कुछ बच्चे बहुत ही जिद्दी होते हैं. They don't know want to sit on a one place. उनको and then he declared that he is a very masti फुल बॉय. बहुत ही कुछ बच्चे जो होते हैं बहुत परेशान करते हैं, जो एक जगह पे बिल्कुल ढंग से नहीं बैठते हैं. दे जस्ट लाइक अ रॉकिंग हॉर्स एंड जस्ट गो हियर एंड देयर. दे कांट स्टिल ऑन सिट ऑन वन प्लेस, एंड दे जस्ट लाइक टू प्ले एंड गो हियर एंड देयर. दैट्स काइंड ऑफ बॉय इज Philip. He is a very naughty boy. See the naughty restless child growing still more rude and wild, till his chair falls over quiet. Philip screams with all his might, catches at the cloth, but then that makes matters worse again. So he really don't know how to wear clothes, how to just sit on the chair. He is a very naughty boy, and he can't behave in a very good manner, and he is making his behavior is very rude and wild, so that everybody can just see him, and just imagine that he is a very worst child and he can't even talk it properly and can't even walk it properly also. So the next part is: down upon the ground they fall, glasses, plates, knives, forks, and all. How Mama did fret and frown when she saw them tumbling down, and Papa made such a face. Philip is in sad disgrace. So when he was sitting on the chair, he just makes things like here and there, और उसी तरह उसने पूरी चीजें जो थी टेबल क्लॉथ के साथ अपने ऊपर गिरा ली. जस्ट लाइक उन चीजों में क्या क्या थी? ग्लासेस, प्लेट्स, नाइफ्स, forks, and all. And see how Mama did fret and frown. Mama is going to be very angry if you do any kind of things like that. जो चीजें पूरी अगर तुम गिरा दो कोई भी चीजें, तो your parents will get too much angry on you. So just like that, her mother and father is getting too much angry on him. And Philip, he was just like to cover his face with the tablecloth and lying on him. All the things are lying on him, and he is very scared that her parents will going to scold her. So this is a very terrible thing he has done. Just put it all the things, dishes, glasses, and snapped into two. And here is a knife, and there is a fork. Everything is here and there, and such a cruel kind of work done by Phillips. So this is very unbearable, and her mama is gonna very angry on him, and he just put it like cross, and stimulously they will gonna punish her, and they are just thinking about it, all the things he have just crossed it. And now how they will have their dinner. Now अब तो डिनर करने का भी प्रॉब्लम आ गया. हाउ दे विल डू देयर dinner. Okay, so this is the story about all the bad behaving child. They don't have such a good table manners, and they don't know how to behave a very good. तो ये जो लेसन था ये उसी बच्चे के बारे में था जिसको बिहेव करना प्रॉपरली नहीं आता था. वो एक जगह बैठ के खाना नहीं जानता था, एक जगह रुकना नहीं जानता था. उसकी बिहेवियर के वजह से उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे बहुत ही ज़्यादा परेशान थे, एंड दे आर सच अ फेड अप विथ हिम. ओके, now this is the chapter we have learned about. Our third chapter, the story of Fidgety Philip. Here we have finished. The poetess of this story poem is Heinrich Hoffmann. So this is the all question answer I have given and submitted in the school, so you can get it from there and just learn it, because the next chapter we will soon able to upload on our YouTube channel. Okay, now see here these rhyming words. You have to just find out the what is the 5 and 4 rhyming words here. So much rhyming words you can find it on this poem. Okay, till then you all just read this chapter, the poem carefully, and just learn the question answer here. I have submitted in school. You can get it from there if you have cleared your dues. And our next chapter or our next session will be continue by this gramming words, and this is the grammar work. Okay, we'll do it on our next video. Till then, stay safe and keep your family safe from this coronavirus COVID-19. Okay, till then, goodbye, be safe, be at home. Okay.